Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here to explain you about plantogram reviews. Guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the beautiful homepage of this website. And this is the website that is based in United States, which deals with multiple fruit trees including mango trees, lychee trees, fruiting bushes, shrubs, fruiting vines, nut trees, spice trees, flowering and fragrant trees, and corporate gifts, etc. So you can find your desired tree option by visiting the menu option button. Now guys, let's talk about the other information related to payment and shipping. So let's check out the payment information of this website. For that you need to visit the FAQ section, and here you can find the information related to payment modes. Yes guys, so they accept all major credit and debit cards including Visa, MasterCard, Discover and American Express. In addition with this, they will accept cash money orders as well as personal checks with accompanying identification. So this was the payment information. Now guys, let's move on to the shipping duration, and for that you need to visit the free shipping section. So guys, according to the website details, FedEx shipping for a limited time on all orders over $150 shipped within the continental United States only. They are offering free shipping as well. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And what are you waiting for? Let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So let's begin with the HTTPS connection factor, and this site is protected through HTTPS protocol and has an SSL certificate that makes the website secure to access or to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign guys. Now talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 3rd of July 2007. That means that this website is too old and which define its legitimacy. Now to know more about its authenticity, let's check out the About Us information. For that you need to visit the About Us page, and here you can get the information related to the offerings of this website, which is a good sign. Now moving on to the contact details, let's check out the contact details of this website. For that you need to visit the Contact Us page. And guys, here they have mentioned the company's official address, contact number and email address, which seems to be legit. And yes, they have provided the email, which is info@plantogram.com, which matches with the domain name, which is a positive and good sign. Now let's come on to the social media presence of this website. So guys, I would like to inform you all that the website has a strong social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Google Plus and Pinterest. You can find the existence or online presence of this business on these social media platforms. Now let's move on to the return policy of this website. So guys, they have not mentioned any return or refund policy page. Let's check out the privacy policy page of this website. So guys, here they have mentioned the information related to address, security, sharing and logging, which is a good sign. And yes, they have not mentioned the exact return refund policy page. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And talking about Plantogram reviews guys, we have found positive reviews about the site on the official website and on the internet as well. So for that you need to visit the reviews section. Here it is. And guys, we have found that one of the customers wrote purchased mango, lychee and logans from Plantogram website. The plants were all healthy, and when I received them, I have had them for about 6 months. All the trees are doing well. The mango has some fruit spikes with some very small fruit for now, and I highly recommend this website. So these are the positive feedbacks from the users, verified users and customers, and you can also find the positive comments on the social media platforms as well. So this is a good sign that define its legitimacy. In the final conclusion, guys, I would say the website appears to be legit. And yes, for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. Please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more informative videos or scam and legit alert notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.